Hey, I'm DJ. I'm a product manager at Mixpanel, and today I'll be showcasing our custom alerts functionality. As product managers, we all know that being data-driven is important to making the best product decisions that we can make. But in a world where PMs have countless other priorities competing for their time, like critical bugs or new feature requests or demanding stakeholders, being data-driven can feel more like an aspirational state, like being more mindful or more physically fit. Our alerts feature is aimed at making it 10 times easier for busy PMs to be more data-driven. Instead of actively having to go out and seek when there's spikes in your data, being passively alerted when these situations occur. With our custom alerts feature, you can notify your team via Slack or email whenever your key metric spikes significantly. So to really get a feel for the power of alerts, let's imagine that you're a US-based PM at an e-commerce startup on a team focused on improving the checkout experience. The North Star metric for your team might be checkout completion rate. In every sprint, you and your team are releasing product improvements and experiments to delight your customers and improve this metric. Now, as a rockstar PM yourself, you want to be ahead of the curve, and you want to ensure that none of the changes that y'all are releasing accidentally are breaking anything for your customers or preventing them from completing their checkouts. For example, right here, maybe there might be a bug in your latest app update that's preventing users from completing their transactions. Now, in a world without custom alerts, you would have to manually check this report every day or even every hour to eyeball trends and validate that your customers aren't experiencing any issues. In the worst case, you might not even be the first person to see this, and it might be your CPO or your VP of product slacking you and saying, what the heck is going on with checkout completion rate? And you don't have a great answer for them. Custom alerts in Mixpanel can be used to make sure that that never happens to you. You can set up an alert to automate the monitoring for you by clicking into the alerts drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner here. So first, you would want to set the criteria. So let's say our team's target is to never let completion rate dip below 50%. So you would add 50% here, and then you're done. Now all you need to do is tell us when you want to be alerted and where, either by adding the name or rather the email of your teammates, or sending the notification to a Slack channel. And we just shipped an update that allows users to create these Slack alerts directly from this modal, no webhooks, no engineering work required. So just like that, you're ready to go. The next time your VP asks what happened to your North Star metric, you'll already be on top of it. Let's check out one more example. Now, let's say your team is worldwide and you want to know if there's conversion rate issues or dips in any specific country, for example, to catch if anything went wrong with a geo-based experiment you're running. You can break down by country here, and we've just shipped a new update that allows you to set up alerts not only when a specific country, like Angola or Aruba, spikes, but also when any country has a big spike in movement. Additionally, you can set criteria to be increases or decreases more than X% week over week. So you might want to be alerted anytime any country decreases by more than 10% week over week. Now with this alert, your team will be notified anytime there's a large fluctuation in your North Star metric. So when something goes wrong, you know about it before anyone else at your company. Finally, for our Mixpanel champions out there, we're making small but mighty improvements to how we manage our alert system. From here, this entry point, we're expanding admin permissions to delete alerts from team members no longer with your company. You can now visually demarcate alerts that have been invalidated because of alert changes, and you can bulk delete alerts to remove clutter from your workspace. So there you have it. Hope this helped provide a glimpse into our alerting functionality, how it might help your team become more data-driven with less effort. Cool. Take care. Thanks.